Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to solve could not create account and your account cannot be created at this time. This is something to do with your Apple ID, and for us to go ahead and solve this issue, what we would need to do is to go ahead and erase our network settings. To do that, all we need to do is to go into settings right here, and then we're gonna go into general. Now we're gonna go all the way down until we can see transfer or reset iPhone. Let's go ahead and click on this, and then you should be able to see reset right there, and then go right on ahead and click on reset network settings. Now go ahead and enter in your password, and then to confirm deletion of your network settings, go ahead and click on reset network settings right there. This will go ahead and prompt you to once again relog into your account. Another thing that you can go ahead and do is to go right on ahead and sign out of your Apple iCloud and then try to create another account there. If that does not work, there are actually two more ways for us to go ahead and create a new iCloud account. To do that, all we need to do is to scroll all the way down until we can see mail or right here. And then you should be able to see accounts right here. So go ahead and click on this. And we're going to be clicking on add account right here. So go ahead and click on this, and then we're going to be choosing iCloud at the very top. Now there is an option to us to go ahead and click create a new Apple ID right here. Go ahead and go through the process right here so you can go ahead and create a new Apple ID. And one last thing for us to go ahead and create a new Apple ID is to do it through the App Store. So go ahead and open up the App Store right here. And then we're going to be clicking on the account on the top right. If you are logged in, we're going to be signing out by scrolling all the way down until we can go ahead and see sign out. Now once that you go ahead and sign out right here, you can go ahead and sign in, or there will be an option where you can go ahead and create a new Apple iCloud ID. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.